MJ, you in the building? That's my boy. All right, YouTube. Back with another video. We have a shoe that really caught me off guard, honestly. We got the Lost and Found Jordan 1s. I don't know why they're lost and found. I don't know if they were lost and then we found them in the stash, but Lost and Found Jordan 1s. I saw even Nike was calling them Chicago's, which kind of threw me off. I was like, I thought we were all, you know, just gonna stick with the Lost and Found, but guess not. A switch up. So yeah, Chicago 1. What I will say is this box is incredible. Man, I literally am obsessed with this box. I don't know, like, we got the tissue paper that gives you the first ever Jordan on sale, the Air Jordan Super Sale. These were regular $65, priced down to $29.99. Man, why can't we get some love like that? And then another dope feature, or a dope kind of add-on, is they even gave you the original, like, receipt looking thing. That's fire. Paul, appreciate you, Paul. Back in August 30th, 1986.
Eddie, bro!
Look at the receipt.
What?
Look.
What?
Since 86.
No!
Everybody that's been watching this channel for that long knows I'm a sucker for all those crazy details with the box and the receipt. Like, that's just tough. I can't beat it. But in terms of the actual shoe, I have the Jordan 1 Chicago back from 2015, and this shoe's obviously way better. It's just from the materials. This shoe is literally buttery. Like, it feels absolutely fantastic. I don't know what they made this with. Even when you put these on inside, God, this is the perfect shoe. If I could take a shoe with me, bury me, it's these. That mug is just fire. But this is a nice consolation prize for the people that, you know, weren't OGs back in 2015, weren't copping shoes back then. That shoe, I remember selling pairs on the day of for like 300 bucks. Those same pairs going for about 1,600 right now. It's insane. But for people who weren't there, weren't around, just getting into the shoe game, new, young, this is the perfect Jordan 1. I would just say, in terms of the details, keep the box, do all that fun stuff, and just rock these, man. Just rock these. I hope you don't have to pay the crazy resale. 400 is a little steep. 450, 500 after tax, all that type of stuff. It's a little steep, but for a shoe like this is beautiful. What I do for my people, well, how I used to collect shoes back in high school. So say I have $250 and my parents were about to buy me the Cherry 11s for the Christmas. I would say, no Cherry 11s. Can give me the $250 for the Cherry 11s. I'll take my $250 and I'm copping this. So just go halfsies, you know. That's how I used to try to get down. I used to work part-time, but you know, them checks used to hit for like 300 for the month, and I'd be like, there's 2 releases and that's 400 bucks. I only got 300. We gonna have to come up with the extra 100. So that's just for my people, you know. Maybe do a little deal, you know, say you gonna shovel all winter. I don't know what you gotta do, but cop if possible. Love this Jordan 1. It's an interesting shoe. I don't know what to say, but yeah, we back. Yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. I don't know what's next, but something will be next.